Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliana. We are almost at 300 subscribers. Thank you all so much to my old and new subscribers, and if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. This channel is I can do everything. I try to make videos for everyone. Actually I do tutorials on hair and then makeup. Sometimes I also do other DIYs. I actually did this butterfly locks. Let me go back for you to see how I did the butterfly locks. You can check my playlist and then you find the butterfly lock video. It's very cheap and easy and quick. I've also recently done a video on how I did my own bridal makeup and my bridal fan, and I mean everything that you can be doing with materials that are cheap and you can have them in your house and then on yourself as a lady or a gentleman. So you are welcome. Today I wanted to have a quick tutorial on how you can use just a normal blade to trim your eyelashes. To trim your eyebrows. So as you can see, my eyebrows are quite bushy, so I normally would not shave everything off, but then I try to shape it according to how I normally draw my eyebrows when I am doing makeup. So this is just a quick tutorial. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and let's hit 300 and over and over. Thank you all so much. Keep watching. So what I'm going to be using is some cotton, and then this is what I'm going to be using to brush my eyebrows. And then I have a new blade. And let me make a disclaimer that if you do not know how to handle blade, please do not try. But then I advise you to keep practicing if you really want to be trimming your eyebrows by yourself. I do not have that razor blade for trimming the eyebrows. So basically this is what I've been using. So to begin with, I just comb my eyebrows. So as you can see, this area is very bushy, so you can see the tiny hairs at this area and the tiny hairs around this area. So this is the trimming off completely, and then I'll shape the rest. Okay, so I'm brushing it all up, and then the other one I'm brushing it up because I want to have a clearer view of the eyebrow and the shape, so that I do not trim and spoil the shape of my eyebrow. And then I'll use water to moisturize the cotton. So I now have my moisturized cotton. So gently pressing it onto my eyebrow. So I have removed the blade from the pack, and this is how I am holding it. So this is my hand, I'm holding it like this, and then turning my hand like this so that I can have a very good view at myself in the mirror, and then I can start trimming. Okay, so you hold the blade like this, you turn your hand, or you turn your hand like this, and then like you are doing and then you start trimming. Okay, I hope that is easy. So let me start trimming. So I'll start from this very point. So as you trim, you use the moisturized cotton to clean up where you have trimmed, and you can see that those tiny hairs have sort of been off at the moment. So I'm going ahead to trim it more to make it more smoother. And I'll use my spoolie to brush upwards. So you can see that if I'm going to be drawing my eyebrow, it's going to go in this direction. Okay, I'm going to go in this direction like this, like So I want to trim down here a bit. So depending on how you want the shape to be, if you want bushy eyebrow, I mostly do not trim my eyebrow to be too tiny, but then I make sure I have enough hair at this side, and so I'm just going to trim it a little bit more down. So I'll comb it upwards or brush it upwards, and then I'll just start from the bottom. I'm drawing it to see if I have the shape that I want. I think it's too big, so I'll go ahead and trim down this area, okay, so that it will be something like this instead of the big space over here. Alright, so now that I am done, I think I'm good with how it's looking. So I'll go ahead and shape the front here and then upwards, okay? You see the tiny hairs above the hair. That is what I'm going to be trimming off so that everything will be leveled. So this time I'm just holding the blade like this, and then I would trim off. Very, very soft, okay? Very, very, very soft, so that I don't hurt yourself. Very, very, very soft. And then our eyebrow is trimmed. So you can see a big difference with this and then with this, okay? If you know me very well, you know I do not joke with my shea butter. So I use shea butter to apply gently on my brow. So you can see the difference between this, and then this, okay? So I'm going to do the same thing as I did here to this eyebrow, okay? So when you are doing the trimming, you continue to compare both sides and see if you are having equal eyebrows. Otherwise you'll be done and then one will be on you're done, basically. So that's how I've been trimming my eyebrows, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and then send and share with your friends and friends and friends, your family members, and to your entire generation. Alright, thank you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, bye. Love ya.